This will be a super short video clip on how you can fix the issues which will occur when you try to actually install CocoaPods with a computer that uses the M1 chips. First, I went to the Finder and then to the Programs, and then right-clicked on the terminal and activated the option for Open in Rosetta. But I don't know if you actually need this because I didn't try to use it with and without. And then I did the following. I used the terminal and put in this command, sudo gem install and this. You can find the complete discussion on GitHub, CocoaPods and so on. So simply put in the normal link which you would use for GitHub or simply Google these two terms. This is what I always would recommend if you have troubles with anything. Simply try to Google lots of different names or terms which are most likely to be mentioned in connection to your specific problem. After I did this process, I could easily use CocoaPods for my applications, even though I have a new MacBook with an M1 chip. I hope this was helpful. This is not an in-depth tutorial because I believe if you really need this bug fix, then you already know how you can open the terminal and what you have to do, because it's not so hard to put in this command, and then you should see that everything is working. And if you need further explanation, simply use these two terms to go to the link and the proper discussion and simply use the bug fix. And then I will hope that you can now use CocoaPods for your applications as well.